What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, D, D. We are out here in Maryland. I have Miss Niche out here helping me with this photo shoot. And so what we have going on is it's about 3 o'clock. The sun is absolutely harsh. So what I wanted to do was try to find like these little pockets of good lighting in this harsh environment to get some nice shots. So kind of did some quick searching of some places around here. This is a new area to me, but what I ended up with was this mural area. So I'm gonna go to maybe like 2 other spots and see if we can get some good shots there as well. So it's kind of like a challenge to see what we can get given the environment. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Woo!
Put your thumb in like your belt loop right there.
Okay.
And put that one in there too.
Okay.
And kind of like, that belt.
Oh, this?
Yeah, your actual belt loop.
Oh,
that
both?
Too.
Okay.
Yeah. And you can kind of like tug on it.
Okay.
And kind of bring that shoulder. Perfect. Woo! Okay. Oh, she ain't come to play, ladies and gentlemen. Love it. Oh, that's beautiful. Go ahead, keep that right there. Oh, this is beautiful right here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Slow, stop right there. All right, lean, get back a little closer to it. Yeah, perfect. Open up your palm on it. Yeah, perfect. Actually good right there. And then just lean forward a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. Woo! I love these right here.
I know my arms is that long.
You could leave your foot down.
Okay.
Yeah, just kind of like lean back against it. Yeah, and you can actually come up a little bit closer to it.
Oh, come closer to it.
Yeah.
Sorry. Right.
Alright, yeah, so she gotta fix her hair, y'all. That's the natural girl.
I thought that was a bug. Like, what the hell?
Alright. Thing's not trying. Alright. Scoot back. Oh, right there. Alright, that's good right there. Let's try her up and pop these. Ooh, perfect. Yes, love it. Put both of your feet up right there. Yeah, and turn your face forward. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's go to that corner. All right, so you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You can take both.
All right.
got my own personal department.
That son really want to tuck behind that thing. Alright. I'm gonna come back here.
Okay.
Get that shot. Oh. Hold that. Okay. But what I want you to do is your left hand. You can put your foot back like that. And put your left hand on your elbow like that.
Oh, on my elbow.
Yeah, and rest your hand like kind of like on your wrist. You can put
on
it.
this hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. All right, so you actually, let's put these on.
Okay.
Yeah. Those.
Make your feet feel a little. Wait.
1, 2. Put that right hand kind of like right here. Yeah, perfect. Hold that right there. Alright, 1, 2. We're gonna get this natural light real quick. Right there, hold that. Perfect. Okay. Alright. Hold that right there. One, 2, 3, let's go. Perfect.
Stop.
Perfect.
I can't be serious for too long. Is that bad?
Oh no, I love that right there.
Wait, let me use you real quick. Okay.
Yeah, do that again.
Oh.
Yeah. Go with that. Perfect. All right, now you can put your hand in your pocket. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now walk towards me. All right, the rain coming, y'all. All right.
Time to roll, time to roll, everyone.
All right.